Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. Good morning guys, how are you? How's your trading going? Would love to know, so please leave a comment. Any questions you might have, something you need help with, yeah, that's what we're here for. Right, so today it's Thursday the 10th of March, and as always, first of all, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades or trade. The only trade we had from yesterday was this was the pound against the yen. As you can see, the pound yen's had a bit of a correction. Yeah, it's had a bit of a correction, but it's still in a downtrend. Okay, yeah, we've still broke this low here, and we've got lower lows, yeah, lower highs. Okay, so the structure of this market is still in a downtrend, and it's now retraced back to a very interesting level here. Okay, so we'll see what it does today. But yesterday, guys, as you can see, it did shoot up. But let's look at H1 to see exactly what did happen yesterday, because we was just trying to take this market down to this blue line from here or from here, guys. Yeah, we're just trying to come back down to that low. But yeah, let's see what happened yesterday. So guys, yeah, we had a couple of grey zones. We're going to look at a few different candles. First of all, we're going to look at this candle here. So guys, you could say that sellers are in control here. It's an engulfing bearish candle. So we could have entered on this candle here. Obviously, this wouldn't have been a good trade. You would have got stopped out. But for me, guys, if you look at the time of it, it was 5 o'clock GMT. I don't start trading until the UK market opens, until there's some volume in the market, guys. Okay, so I wouldn't have gotten in on this candle, but just wanted to point it out for you guys. As you can see, price shot up. Yeah, we got a reaction here, but I still didn't have a red candle to tell me sellers were in complete control. It bounced back off this zone, and I actually entered the trade here. Okay, I saw this red candle, I think it is around 6 o'clock GMT, with a view to taking this price back down to here. Okay, as you can see, it has broken slightly above this. My stop is at 153.06. Okay, so my stop is about here. Okay, I've done this, guys, because again, the grey zone's quite big. It needs a bit of wiggle room, and we've got these lows here. Okay, so it could quite easily bounce off these lows. We shall see. Yeah, I may get stopped out. As long as you follow your money management, that's no problem. But my stop's at 153.06. It is in a very good zone here, guys, to take price lower on the day chart. So let's see what happens today. All right, guys, but that was the only trade from yesterday. If you took this candle or even this candle, you might have got stopped out and had a bad trade. But you know, guys, don't worry, these things happen. Right, let's take a look at the trades for today now. All right, if you enjoyed the recap of yesterday, then please smash that like button. Yeah, it really helps support the channel, and subscribe. That would be a great help, guys, if you could. Right, so the trades for today, Thursday the 10th of March, we've got two potential trades. The first one is this. This is the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. It looks like a messy chart, guys, the day chart, but for me the structure is still in an uptrend. Okay, because of this break here, we have higher highs. Okay, and the lows here, yeah, have not been broken, so we have higher highs and the lows have remained intact. Okay, and as you can see from yesterday, guys, we had this large bullish candle form off of these lows here. Okay, so I think we can just take price up to this blue line here at 12539. Yeah, quite a conservative target. We could potentially take it back up to these last highs, but the way the markets are, you know, my targets are quite restricted. All right, guys, so yeah, we're looking to long this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. So a couple of grey zones, guys. The first one is this. So we want to see price retrace into this grey zone. We want to see a bullish candlestick pattern. And then what we want to do is take price back up to this high. If it gives us a risk to reward of 1:1. If it doesn't, then just take 100% of the trade up to our blue daily target. All right. If that doesn't happen, perhaps price could retrace more. If it does, great, it gives us more value. So price could retrace all the way back to this grey zone, but again, we just want to see a bullish candlestick pattern, and then we're going to take price back up to these highs, close 80% of the trade, and then leave 20% to run to one of our higher time frame targets. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's the first trade idea. Swiss franc against the Japanese yen long. The next one is this. This is the US dollar against the Swiss franc, and we're looking to short this market. So I'm seeing some Swiss franc strength from yesterday. Again, another messy market, really, guys, but the structure is still a downtrend here. Yeah, if you look at this, we've got lower lows. Yeah. Okay, so we've got lower lows, and we also have lower highs. Yeah, although these highs have yet to be broken. Okay, so this area here, yeah, is a good area of resistance. Yeah, because the highs have yet to be broken, and and yesterday we got this bearish red candle form here. Okay, so that bouncing off of that resistance, I still think we can take price back down to at least this 9,200 area. All right, guys, so yeah, we're looking to short this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. Yeah, reasonably large grey zone because price could bounce off here, or even up here, guys. Okay, so that's why I've got a large grey zone. But, you know, as always, guys, we want to see price retrace into this grey zone somewhere. It already has, but now we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern. First of all, we'll take price back down to these lows, close 80% of the trade, and then we can leave 20% of the trade to run back down to our higher time frame blue line. All right, guys, so US dollar, Swiss franc short. They're the two trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and would like to receive it every morning, then please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button. That way you won't miss a single one. And also smash the like button. Help support the channel. Many, many thanks. Right, guys, so let's take a look at the news. Nothing overnight to speak of. At 10 o'clock GMT, we have an EU Leaders Summit. So they'll be talking about a variety of things. But this could really affect any euro pair that you're in. And then we have the big daddy of them all in terms of news. Yeah, at 12:45, we have basically the interest rate decision of the euro. Okay, so all eyes around the financial world will be looking at this at 12:45, and this can really move not only the euro, guys, but other pairs as well. Okay, so yeah, must be aware when this news is released. Okay, so you've got the interest rate decision, the monetary policy statement, marginal lending facility, etc. Okay, so guys, yeah, big news there. If we carry on down, and also, guys, it'll be interesting because the euro had such a retrace yesterday. Euro yen, euro US dollar, really, you know, at a retrace back upwards. So it'll be interesting to see what that does. 130, we got the US dollar, another 3-star rating. So some CPI, some inflation data that could move any US dollar pair. If we carry on down at 130 GMT, we've got initial jobless claims, another 3-star rating coming out of the US. Again, will move any US dollar pair. there. And then this, guys, this is also very important. At 1:30 GMT, the press conference, the ECB press conference. So they'll be talking about the interest rate decision made earlier. All right, and everything that contributes to that. So this is just as important as the data that is released earlier. Okay, so must be aware of that as well, guys, when they're talking. Other than that, guys, no news for the rest of the day. All right, so guys, please support the channel. Please smash the like button, subscribe, and share the video with your trader friends. I hope you have a magical trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.